cut the grass this morning.
So he's got a life
Talking about the kid? Or
yeah,
what? Last time I seen them was before they went on their trip.
yeah.
They were in the driveway. They were on that van.
Okay, all right, thanks, brother. Hold on, guys. We can't talk right now, I'm sorry.
Why are you looking for them?
We can't talk right now, I'm
Can
sorry.
you tell us why you're here, sir?
Well, really? No, come on. You know, okay? Aloha, guys. Thank you.
Do you have any tips?
I'm trying to get some. 833 tell dog. We're getting tips every 10 minutes.
Are you going to be staying in Northport, sir?
I can't tell you all that, but God bless you guys. Aloha. See you soon, I'm sure.
You're not here for publicity, though, are you?
And I'm on every night across the country.
It's not actually the Laundries on the phone, but there has been a report of the Laundries basically calling the police on Dog the Bounty Hunter, who was only trying to help their son. So I find this very interesting that Dog the Bounty Hunter is literally on the case trying to find your missing son, and you have nothing to do but to call 911 on him. So.
714, the female Roberta from that 1020 called it on 911.
What's happening?
The address of the call, 4343.
Copy.
Whenever it's in North Row is landline. What was that, traffic?
We just had the female from that 1020 call in on 911, reference the situation with the male.
All right, 10-4. Yeah, it's once you arrive, or if you're already there, and the occupants are requesting us to come up, just go ahead and go to the house and assist, and just to keep the peace. But if they're not requesting us to come up, then just stay back and make sure that everything's good.
10-4, he's clear.
All right, 10-4. The main subject has already cleared the scene.
10-4.
All right, 10-4. Just go ahead and make contact with the complainant then.
26. Oh, the answer's up there.
Seventy-one, 97. 10%.